One of the initial steps when working with large steel structures such as buildings, modules, or pipe racks involves setting up a structural grid. This grid helps establish the overall framework and provides construction lines to simplify positioning the steel. Let's start by opening drawing 03_02_ Then, in the Parts Insertion panel, we can explore the grid settings. Here we can input values based on the intended dimensions of each bay within the structure, starting with the X and Y values of our standard UCS. For example, the first bay might be set to 20 feet, and the second to 40 feet. Moving forward, we can input column designations along the X-axis, like A, B, and C, while using numbers along the Y-axis. You can also add a text field at different elevation points. Unwanted values can be deleted, so they don't appear on your drawing. Adjusting the values is straightforward. Changing a grid measurement, like to 20 feet, updates it across relevant text fields. You can also add extra columns and rename the grid. Once the setup is complete, it's essential to note that any design defaults to layer 0. To organize, you can create specific layers, example, layer grid, steel, for different elements. Ensuring work is done on the appropriate layer. This allows for isolating or freezing specific sections if needed. The grid serves as a foundational guideline for constructing the layout, but is not linked to the steel once placed. If you modify the grid after setting steel in place, the steel elements will remain unaffected.